Ever wondered why car factory manuals are so important? Well, let's dive into the heart of this question. Car factory manuals are the unsung heroes of vehicle maintenance and repair. They are the ultimate guides to your vehicle, packed with original equipment manufacturer or OEM repair information. This information is critical for accurate and efficient repairs, ensuring your car runs as smoothly as the day it rolled off the assembly line. These manuals are not just for professional mechanics. Everyday car owners and enthusiasts alike can greatly benefit from their wealth of knowledge. They can guide you in routine maintenance, help troubleshoot issues, and even assist in optimizing your car's performance. Simply put, they are invaluable resources that can save you time, money, and quite a few headaches. Now, understanding the significance of these manuals, we might question, where do we find them? Stay tuned as we delve into the hunt for these essential automotive guides. Finding OEM repair info might seem like seeking a needle in a haystack, but fear not, we've got you covered. Now you might be wondering, where do we find these elusive OEM repair details? Well, they're often tucked away in car factory manuals. These manuals are treasure troves of information, filled with every little detail you might need about your vehicle. They contain everything from the nitty-gritty of engine mechanics to the subtleties of the car's electrical system. These manuals, however, are not typically found lying around on a random internet search. They are usually housed on specific websites that provide premium services. Yes, you heard that right. These manuals come with a price tag, but don't let that deter you. The price you pay is a small investment for the wealth of information you receive in return. Now that we know where to find them, how do we make sense of all this information? Navigating through OEM repair info may initially seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, it's a breeze. Let's start by breaking down the process step by step. First, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the index. This is your roadmap, guiding you to the specific parts and systems you're interested in. Next, it's time to dive into the technical language. This can feel like learning a new dialect, but don't worry, with a bit of patience, you'll soon be fluent. Remember, each term and abbreviation has a precise meaning, intended to convey complex information in a compact form. Finally, we have diagrams and schematics. These visual aids are your best friends in understanding the physical layout of parts and their interconnections. Look for numbered or lettered points correlating to a key or legend. This will help you interpret the representation. With these steps, you can unlock the wealth of knowledge contained in these manuals. To sum up, car factory manuals and the OEM repair info they contain are invaluable tools for any car owner. These manuals are the golden key, unlocking a wealth of detailed, precise, and most importantly, accurate repair information for your vehicle. Recalling what we've journeyed through, these manuals are not an easily found treasure. Like any good secret, they are usually tucked away on paid websites offering premium services. Yes, they might require a bit of financial investment, but the returns are immense. They provide you with the power to understand your car's inner workings and the ability to perform repairs with confidence. Remember, understanding is the first step to effective action. The more you comprehend, the better you can maintain and repair your vehicle, ensuring it remains in peak condition for longer. Armed with this knowledge, you are now ready to take your car maintenance and repair skills to the next level.